Do you understand basic English but native speakers still sound confusing? You're not alone. In this video, you'll learn how basic English sentences change into real, natural English, just like in movies and everyday conversations. For each example, you'll see the basic sentence, then the native expression, with a simple explanation and when to use it. Watch, listen carefully, and repeat out loud. By the end of this video, you'll sound more natural, more confident, and more like a native speaker. Let's get started. Basic English. I'm very tired. Native English.
I'm exhausted.
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 Exhausted means extremely tired, more than just tired. When to use it? After a long day, work, travel, or exercise. Basic English. I'm very busy. Native English.
I'm swamped.
I'm just swamped.
I'm sorry. I'm swamped.
I'm swamped. I'm just swamped.
Swamped means you have too much work to do. When to use it? When you are busy with work, school, or tasks. Basic English. I'm very angry. Native English.
I'm pissed off.
I'm pissed off.
I'm pissed off. I am really pissed off.
I'm pissed off.
I'm pissed off.
I'm pissed off.
You're
I'm pissed off.
I'm pissed off.
Pissed off means angry or annoyed. When to use it? With friends or in casual conversations, not formal situations. Basic English. I'm joking. Native English.
I'm just kidding.
I'm just kidding.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
I'm just kidding.
I'm just kidding.
Kidding. I'm just kidding. But that's it.
I'm just kidding.
This is used to show something was not serious. When to use it? After a joke or to avoid misunderstandings. Basic English. Wait a moment. Native English.
Hold on. Wait, hold on.
Hold on means wait a short time. When to use it? On the phone or when you need a quick pause. Basic English. It's your fault. Native English.
That's on you. That's on you. That's on you.
That's on you.
That's on you.
That's on you.
That's on you.
This means you are responsible for the problem. When to use it? In informal situations when blaming responsibility. Basic English. I don't believe you. Native English.
I don't buy it.
I don't buy it. I don't buy it. Hey!
I don't buy it.
I don't buy it either.
I don't buy it.
I don't buy it.
I don't buy it.
I don't buy it.
This means you don't trust what someone is saying. When to use it? When a story sounds fake or exaggerated. Basic English. I agree with you. Native English.
I'm with you.
Well, I'm with you, sweetie. I'm with you.
Okay, I'm with you. I'm with you.
I'm with you. I'm with you.
I'm with you.
I'm with you.
Well, I'm with you, sweetie. I'm with you.
This means you share the same opinion. When to use it. During discussions or conversations. Basic English. Be careful. Native English. This is a warning about possible danger. When to use it. When someone may get hurt or make a mistake. Basic English. Let's leave now. Native English.
Let's get out of here.
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 This means leave this place, often quickly. When to use it? When you want to go somewhere else or avoid trouble. Now you know how basic English becomes real, natural English. Don't just watch, practice. Pause the video, repeat each sentence out loud, and try to use one expression today. Which native expression was your favorite? Write it in the comments and tell us when you will use it. If this video helped you, like it. Subscribe to Speak with Scenes TV to learn real English through movies and everyday conversations. See you in the next lesson.